I'm Megan, and today I'm going to show you how to make gift tags using the M1 Ultra.
These tags can be customized based on the season and can feature images with names, or any variety based on your needs for the project.
To do this project today, you will need a sheet of 3mm basswood. We'll be using two of the modules for the M1 Ultra, the inkjet module and the laser module.
To start the project, first launch xTool Creative Space. Once Creative Space has loaded, click on the New Project green button or the plus sign located above the xTool logo. Once the new project window has loaded, we are going to click on the Rectangle tool and just drag a simple rectangle. We're going to edit its properties by first unchecking the lock aspect ratio and then changing its width to 2.5 by 4 inches high and rounding the corners by 0.5. This gives us the base of our gift tag. Then we're going to come back over, click on circle and drag a circle and also change its properties. First, uncheck the locked aspect ratio and change the width to 0.312 by 0.312. Then we can drag the circle and align it to the center and a little bit of room on the top. Kind of put this where you feel comfortable. This is where you'll be able to put your ribbon or how you want to attach it to your present. And that gives us the base of our gift tag. Then I'm going to come in and we're going to group the pair together. And then we're going to come over to the applications and click on Grid Array. Grid Array allows us to batch create a number of the same items. So I'm going to say I want 4. I'm going to up the spacing a little bit and I'm going to keep it at 2 rows and also up the spacing a little bit and click done. And now we have our base of the gift tags. You can now add your images. You can either click on the image button here, or I like to drag and drop my images. So I'm going to pull in an image and drag it in and then change its sizing to fit how I want it on the tag. If I'm just going to have an image on the tag, I might let this be a little bit bigger. If I want my image to be a little bit smaller so I can have text, I might drag in and make my image a little bit smaller. So then I can come into text and I can add some text and change my font over here to a font that you like. I like this dancing script. And you can make it bigger, smaller, aligning again. And then basically you can do that. And also, if you want an easy way to also create some images, you can use the AI generator. I have already pre-generated some laser art that we could use for this. Here's a cute little reindeer that I just said cute reindeer with presents. I'm going to import it into my canvas, fit it to the canvas, and then scale it down. And there's another easy way of having some images that you can use for your tags. And so all you need to do is fill up all your tags with what you would like them to say. I'm just going to copy and paste this image to each of the tags so that all of my tags have almost the same image. And then your next step is to make sure that you set your setting properties correctly. Once you have set all your settings in the Easy Set panel, you can go to Process and see how your project's going to lay out before you send it to the system. So this project will in totality take 14 minutes and 34 seconds. And you can see how the system's going to process it by running the bar. Once you're happy with how the project is looking, you can hit the start button to send it to the system. If you're not happy, you can also click back, go back to your project, make changes, and then hit process again, and then double check, and then send once you're ready. Now let's take a look at how this is running on the machine.
When the project is on the machine, I like to tape down the piece of wood to keep it straight.
Thank you for joining us for this tutorial today. Please let us know in the comments below what you thought of the project and if there are other projects you would like to see tutorials on. Have a great day!